On this video today, I'm going to show you a cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join CPA Lead, you can join CPA Build, or any CPA network that you want. In this case, we are using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so if you want, you can create an account and then promote offers on this platform. Once you create your account on this website, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers so that you can find offers to promote. So just click on it. Once you click on My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. There are a lot of different offers on this platform that you can promote, but the offers are country specific. So what you have to do is that you have to find a country where you have a traffic source so that you can promote offers in that country. As a school, you can see these are offers that you can promote, but when you look at the payout, it is very low. So if you are using a paid traffic source, you are not going to be making profit promoting offers with lower payout. So we are going to search for a country where we can get offers with higher payout so that we can promote them and then make money from home. So we are going to scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, you can scroll down and then select any country that you want. As I scroll, you can see many countries that you can find offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting offers in Ireland. So you are going to search for Ireland right here. Just search for Ireland. Once you search for it, you can see it. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people in Ireland. So you have to promote these offers to people who live in Ireland. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them. If you promote these offers to people who do not live in Ireland, if they click on your link, they are not going to get access to the offer. So you have to target people in Ireland so that you can get the right people to enter their details for you to make money. CPA offers, they are easy to promote because you don't need a sale before you earn money. All that you need to do is that you have to generate a lead and you are going to be paid for that. You can see this offer right here. Access the best gaming content. The payout is $9.33. The requirement is pin submit. So your potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers so that they can qualify to receive the content, and you are going to be paid $9.33. They don't need to buy anything. And you can see the offer is allowed on Android. It is allowed on Apple iOS, as you can see it. So now what you have to do is that you have to select any of the offers that you want. In this case, we are going to be promoting an offer with higher payout. So we are going to be promoting this offer right here. Access the best gaming content. To get your affiliate link, you have to click on the offer. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people in Ireland to click on this link and then enter their mobile numbers so that they can get access to gaming content. Once they sign up with their mobile numbers, you are going to be paid $9.33. So the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Ireland to click on your link and then enter the required details for you to earn money. You can see the offer is allowed on Android, but it is also allowed on Apple iOS. So you have to target people who live in Ireland and they're using Android device or Apple iOS so that they can complete the offer on those devices for you to earn money. So now the next step is that we are going to find the traffic source. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is adoperator.com. This website is one of the best traffic sources that you can use to promote your affiliate link. The best part is that if you sign up for an account, they are going to be chatting with you on WhatsApp so that they can give you updates. They are also going to be giving you bonuses anytime you deposit money into your accounts. Once you sign up for an account, you are going to get an accounts manager who is going to help you in everything that you need. So this is one of the best that you can use to promote your businesses or affiliate links. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using it to promote our CPA offers. So we have to sign up for an account. To sign up for an account, you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to sign up as an advertiser. So click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to select individual. Once that is done, you are going to enter your first name, last name, country, city, address, your zip code, phone number, email address, password. Then you are going to select the kind of social media network that you are using. So you are going to enter either Telegram or Skype, any of them that you are using. you can enter your handle right here. Once that is done, you're going to check on this box, I accept terms of use and privacy policy. Once that is done, you're going to click on registration. Once you click on it, you can sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for a free account, you're going to see a page like this. So this is a new account. So what you have to do is that you have to start creating your campaign. To create a campaign, you're going to click right here, create campaign. Once you click on it, you can see campaign name. So we are going to type something like game, something like this. Anything that you want, you can type it here because you are the only one who see the name. So just type anything that you want right here. Once that is done, you can see target URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to select your campaign type. If you want pop under, you can select that. Push notification, you can select that. In-page push, you can select that. In this case, I'm going to select in-page push, so just select that. Once you select that, the next step is that you are going to enter your budget right here. So you are going to enter the total budget, the amount that you want to spend on your ad. In this case, we are going to be spending $60. Just enter any amount that you want. Once that is done, you can see daily budget. How much are you willing to spend per day? So let's type 20, or you can see $10. Once that is done, you can see click per IP. So you are going to select the number of times that you want a person within a particular area to click on your link. So in this case, I want them to click on it once. Once that is done, you can see CPC, cost per click. How much are you going to pay per every click that you get? So you can just click on it and then select the minimum byte rate. You can see this is the minimum byte, but it is going to change based on the country that we are going to select. So just enter the default price. So we are going to enter 0.025. It will change when we select the country. Some countries it will increase, others it is going to be decreased. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see creative. So we are going to enter our ad information right here. You can see the first one is the title, the second is the description. So we are going to enter both of them. So now what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPA Grip so that we can get those details and then paste them right here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to highlight and then copy the title. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here as your title. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to paste the description right here. So you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, highlight and copy this as your description. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Let's delete this. Okay, so we are going to delete this and then put our own text. So let's say enter your mobile number to start now, something like this. Enter your mobile number to start now. I think this is okay. Once that is done, you are going to upload an image of the offer. So you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can get the image of the offer. Once you come back, you are going to put your pointer on the image, right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save image as. Click on that. Once you click on it, you are going to click right here save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image onto your device, the next step is that you are going to click right here upload icon. Once you click on it, you are going to select your image, click on open. As you can see, this is the image. So you are going to crop it. Just crop it the way you want. As you can see, that has been done. Once you crop it, you can see this is the image. Once the image is uploaded, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see creative number 2. If you have different images of the product, you can upload it. But in this case, we only have one image. So what you have to do is that you have to delete it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you delete it, the next step is the targeting. So click on it. Once you click on it, the first thing that you are going to target is the country. So we are going to select the country where the offer is allowed. In this case, we are targeting Ireland. So just search for Ireland. Once you search for Ireland, you can see it right here. Click on it so that it will be selected. As you can see, that has been done. We are targeting only Ireland, so you are going to leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see operating system. You are going to select the kind of operating system that you are targeting. In this case, you are targeting Android and then iOS. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see operating system version. So we are not targeting any version. We are targeting any of them. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see browsers. We are targeting any browser. So just leave it like that. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see advanced targeting. You can click on it and then change any setting that you want. You can see everything. You can see the regions. If you want to target any region in Ireland, you can enter it right here. If you want to target any city in Ireland, you can type it right here. The next one is browser language. If you want to enter any language, you can enter it right here. The people in Ireland speak Irish and English, so if you want to, you can just type English right here. So let's say English. As you can see, English is right here. Select it. Once that is done, you're going to search for Irish. Search for Irish. You can see Irish right here. As you can see, that has been done. So we have selected the browser language. Once that is done, if you want to block any IP address, you can enter it right here. But in this case, we are not going to block anything. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see days of the week. If you don't want your ad to run on any specific day of the week, you can select that. If you don't want your ad to run on some hours during the day, you can select that. But in this case, we are not going to select anything. Just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see conversion tracking, sub-byte optimization. Just leave all of this because it is not important. Just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, start campaign. Once you click on start campaign, you can see this is your campaign. It is pending for approvals. Once it is approved, you are going to be getting traffic to your affiliate link. So now what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts so that anytime your ad is approved, it can begin running immediately. To deposit funds, you are going to click right here, add funds. Once you click on it, you can see this is the minimum deposit. If you are using a credit card, you can see the minimum deposit is $100. The next one is $150, $200, $300, $500. Others. It depends on the amount that you want to deposit. Before you deposit money, you have to chat with your accounts manager so that they can give you a promo code. Once they give you the promo code, if you deposit the money, you are going to be enjoying bonus. So make sure you chat with your accounts manager before you deposit money into your account so that you can get bonus. If you don't want to use credit card to deposit money, you can select crypto pay. You can select this option right here, USDT. You can select PayPal, you can select Alipay, Capitalist, any of them that you want, you can select it and then use it to deposit money into your accounts. If you want bank transfer, you can select that. You can see this option right here. If you want it, you can use it to deposit money into your accounts. So make sure you deposit money into your accounts so that you can be getting people who will click on your link and then enter their details for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.